Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is financial statement analysis. It is second chapter of part B. Second chapter of part B. आज डेट होगी 1 सितंबर 2021. So what do you mean by analysis of financial statement? Let us firstly discuss its meaning. An analysis of financial statements is a process of thorough, systematic, comprehensive and critical examination of financial information contained in the financial statements so that financial strengths and financial weakness of the business can be identified. Yani, what is analysis of financial statement? It is such a process in which deep study, thorough, deep, systematic and comprehensive study is made of the information which are involved in financial statements. So financial statements basically include what? Statement of P&L as well as balance sheet. So the item contained in statement of P&L as well as in balance sheet, their deep study is made in such a way so that financial strengths and financial weaknesses of the business can be easily identified. Next, an analysis of financial statement helps the business to know about the liquidity, solvency and profitability position of the business enterprises. And so making deep study of financial statement helps us to know about their liquidity, means ability to pay off their short-term debts. Solvency means ability to pay off their long-term debts, and profitability position means to check about their financial performance. We can easily find out liquidity, solvency and profitability position of the business enterprises by making deep study of फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स. अब बात आती है इसके व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस. तो बड़े इजी हैं, ध्यान से सुनना है. नंबर 1, टू नो द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पोजीशन एंड अर्निंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस. तो सबसे पहले वी वांट टू नो प्रेजेंटली व्हाट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज बीइंग अर्नड बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड व्हाट इज देयर फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटी टू अर्न दैट प्रॉफिट. So it also tells us about the earning capacity of the business. Presently what is profitability position, and future is what chance of profit, what capability of earning profit is there. Secondly, to know the solvency position of the business, yani whether company is able to pay off their short term debts as well as long term debts. So liquidity position as well as solvency position of the business. Third, to present the complex data of financial statement in a simplified manner so that easy to understand. So while when analysis is made, so complex data it is presented in such an easy way so that anybody can easily understand it. Fourth objective of analysis of financial statement is to make the comparative study with other similar business concerns. To make the comparative study with other similar business concerns, it is called inter-firm comparison. For example, हमारा फर्नीचर का बिजनेस है बेटा, और किसी और कंपनी का भी फर्नीचर का बिजनेस है, and we are going to make comparison of our financial performance with the financial performance of other company so that we can come to know as compared to other company at what level we are standing. And that comparison is called inter-firm comparison. इसी तरीके से to know the trend of the business by making inter-period और intra-firm comparison. इसके अंदर कंपनी अपनी करंट ईयर परफॉर्मेंस को प्रीवियस ईयर के साथ कंपेयर करके चेक करती है एट व्हाट लेवल दे आर स्टैंडिंग. ठीक, तो व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर देयर करंट ईयर पोजीशन विद प्रीवियस ईयर पोजीशन, व्हाट दे नो अबाउट, they want to know about the sale, cost, profit, etc. What amount of sale was previous year and what amount of sale is current year. What are the reason of increase or decrease in sale. In the same manner, what are the reason or increase or decrease in cost as well as in profit. तो ये 5 objectives हैं. आगे चलते हैं बेटा. इसके बाद अगला पार्ट आता है हमारे पास लिमिटेशंस ऑफ एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स. तो फर्स्ट लिमिटेशन इज whatsoever limitation of financial statements are there, they will also remain the limitations of analysis of financial statement also. So let's see. Number one, qualitative and non-financial informations are ignored. So while preparing financial statements, qualitative informations, they are totally ignored. So by ignoring qualitative you can say information, whatsoever financial statements are prepared, they do not reflect true picture of the business. So this is their first drawback. Now what type of qualitative information? Like quality of management, employer employee relations, competition in the market. These are the factors which cannot be expressed in terms of money, but still they put effect on the profitability or financial position of the business. By ignoring these features, if we are going to analyze the financial statement, it will not be useful. Second limitation is analysis of financial statement, it is affected by window dressing. Window dressing means certain times instead of presenting true picture of the business, businessmen try to present the picture in a better way by manipulating accounting information. That is called window dressing. So it does not represent true picture of the business. Third, unreliable comparison. Unreliable comparison, as different accounting methods and policies are followed by different business concern for the treatment of same item. Of unreliable means we are going to make comparison of our business with some other business. They are using different method, we are using some different accounting methods, so that comparison becomes unreliable, means not a fruitful comparison. Next, choice of accounting alternative methods to given to accountant makes a financial statement biased. Biased means partiality is also involved. When different accounting method, alternative methods, which method is to be applied, if choice is given to the accountant, so generally they uses those method which are suitable to them, rather than choosing those methods which are suitable to the institution. So providing choice of accounting alternative methods to the accountant makes the financial statement biased. Next, biased based on historical cost. Analysis of financial statement do not disclose the current worth of the business. आज की डेट में बिजनेस की क्या वैल्यू है, दैट वी कांट फाइंड आउट. रादर ये हमें क्या बताता है, दोज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट which are already been prepared, so that data is historical in nature. So previous data, whatsoever data is that, if we are making analysis of it, sometime it is not useful for making forecasting related to the future. So one major limitation is analysis is done of past records which has already been completed, and sometimes the analysis of those past records may not be helpful in making forecasting about the future. आज के लिए बेटा बस इतना ही. कल हम करेंगे पार्टीज इंटरेस्टेड इन एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स.